In this tutorial, friends, I will share with you step by step how to withdraw money from JustMarkets. So friends, all you have to do, log in your account. This is the first step you need to do. After that, friends, go to this deposit option, as you can see here. Before that, you should be complete your verification steps, guys. Set your address and name and your identity documents, and then click deposit. From the deposit section, guys, click on this option withdraw. From the withdraw, guys, choose USDT. For example, if you want to withdraw through USDT, click USDT, and then write your account, guys, you want to withdraw. From here, choose the amount method, for example USDT here, and then choose your amount you want to withdraw, for example 100 USDT, and make sure this currency is USDT. And then all you have to do, you should be have available amount, and in this my case I don't have any amount, and then click continue. If you want to withdraw, guys, through Bitcoin, choose Bitcoins and choose your withdraw method, for example Tron, and then click on your amount. After that, choose your quantity of amount and then click continue. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give me a like and give me share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comments and I will answer your question.